Hey guys, John Richards here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about intermittent fasting for a busy schedule. I think the biggest reason people use intermittent fasting is for a busy schedule because you're not having to eat. I mean, if you're trying to lose weight or you're trying to get healthier, you're trying to make sure you get the proper nutrition in. And sometimes, I know when I first started out working out, 25 years ago, they had me eating 6 meals a day. That's not a great diet or a great eating plan for a busy schedule, okay? So intermittent fasting, what I like about it is you're not eating for a certain length of time. So you can pretty much set that up however you want. So like in my case, I'm doing 18 hours right now. When I started out with 16 hours. And basically what you want to do is you want to make sure you start your fast about 2 hours before you go to bed. Now the reason why you want to do that is you want to have digested most of the food that you've taken in, 2 hours before. That way when you go to bed, it's not sitting on your stomach, and you don't digest as well throughout the night. So like in my case, what I do is I stop eating about 7 o'clock, and then I go to bed and go to sleep about 9 o'clock, okay? And then when you hit 12 hours, that's when you really hit fat burning. So, so I stop eating at 7, and then I don't eat the next day till 1 o'clock. Well, if you're like me, the best thing about fasting is you're not eating during those hours your power hours, the hours you're trying to get your most important work done. Because you really want to have most of your work done by noon, 1 o'clock anyway. So if you're up early like I am, and I work out fasted, and I do my cardio fasted, and I don't eat a meal till 1 o'clock, I've already got a lot of my work done by then. So when I eat, I don't have a lot of my day left. So that's why really intermittent fasting really works well for busy people. And again, you want to decide on your protocol. How long are you going to fast? Now, if you've never fasted before, you might start out, 12 to 14 hours. Whatever it is, stay very disciplined about it. There's an app called Zero app, for fasting that I use. It's got a countdown timer, or you can have it count up however. And then that way, when it turns colors, that's when you can eat. It's pretty cool, actually. And then you just stick to that. So at 7 o'clock, I'm done. Now, do I eat my last meal at 7 o'clock? Sometimes no. Maybe I've eaten prior to. It's according to how that day went. And then I start fasting at 7, and then I don't eat the next day till 1. So sometimes it's 19 or 20 hours. And your chance of weight loss is so much more because you're only eating, in my case, 6 hours or 8 hours, so you have to fit your calories in at that time. So that's why fasting really works well for busy people and a busy schedule. So intermittent fasting for a busy schedule is a great way to go. And it's a great eating plan. It's a way of eating. It's not a diet. I don't believe in diets. I think, like I said, when I first started out was, 6, 7 meals a day, which was complicated. Not great for a busy schedule. Hopefully this helped you guys. Hope you liked this. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Tell me you liked it. Comment. Tell me what you're doing. How are you eating for a busy schedule, or if you've tried intermittent fasting. Hey, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification on the side so you get notified of any future videos. Go out and make it an awesome day today, guys. Thank you so much.